It has been a game changer for us. Increased production, low labor, efficient production, and less wastage. Before 3-type trimmer, we used to trim those by using normal guillotine machines. The problem there we faced was that production time was huge. A lot of wastage was there, labor wastage was there. Our customer base was increasing, our production needs were increasing. So we wanted a solution where we can make the production more efficient and we can automate our trimming thing. So my name is Nitin Goyal. I am director at Gopsons Printers Pvt Limited. Our company is a trusted provider of security print solutions catering to government institutions, banking, entertainment industries, and recently we have introduced short-run book printing as well. So the first thing that came to my mind when I thought of introducing 3-type trimmer to my company was Bindwel. Because I've seen Bindwel engineers working on the machines since my early days into this industry. They really produce good machines, efficient machines, and the best part is they are Indian. So we don't have to look foreign for any maintenance or any needs. Quality is improved basically. Previously when we used to do it by guillotine, the cuts were not proper, they were cross. But with Bindwel 3-knife trimmer, it is coming good cuts and efficient mainly. Yeah. The maintenance team, the service team is excellent. That is something really hard to find. Pro customer, I would say. The day I raise the concern, immediately they respond. And the engineering team is also very supportive, I would say, and well trained. Any problem you tell them, they will solve it. And they are cost-effective workhorse.